I'm sure you've heard the news. Santorini is one of the most beautiful places on Earth. White houses clinging to cliffs, azure domes reflecting the Aegean, sunsets that set the sky ablaze. But there's something more, something beyond the postcards. It's a feeling, an energy, a sense of wonder that washes over you the moment you arrive. This isn't just another Greek island, this is Santorini. My first trip to Santorini was like stepping into a dream. The ferry rounded the caldera, revealing the iconic vista. It was more breathtaking than any photograph. I knew then this was a place I'd never forget. Santorini has that effect on people. It's a place that captures your imagination, that stays with you long after you've left. It's a place you have to experience to truly understand. Imagine wandering through a labyrinth of narrow streets, sunlight bouncing off whitewashed walls. The air is filled with the scent of bougainvillea, their vibrant colors a stark contrast to the pristine buildings. This is Oia, perhaps the most iconic of Santorini's villages. The whitewashed houses are more than just a pretty picture. They're a testament to the island's history, to the resilience of its people. Built from volcanic stone and limewash, they reflect the heat, keeping the interiors cool in the summer sun. But it's the little details that capture the charm. A splash of blue paint on a door, a tiny church tucked away in a corner, a cat basking on a sun-drenched step. These are the moments that make Santorini special, that turn a simple walk into a treasure hunt for the senses. Santorini's unique architecture is a direct result of its tumultuous past. The island we see today is a mere fragment of what it once was. Thousands of years ago, a volcanic eruption shattered the island, leaving behind a caldera and a legacy of resilience. The traditional houses, or iposkafa, are dug into the volcanic rock, providing natural insulation against the elements. You'll see them everywhere, some converted into cozy cafes, others into boutique hotels. Exploring these structures is like stepping back in time. You can almost hear the echoes of the past, feel the presence of the generations who came before. It's a reminder that beauty can emerge from even the most destructive of events. As the day draws to a close, a hush falls over Santorini. The crowds gather. Anticipation hangs in the air. Then it begins. The sky erupts in a symphony of color, painting the caldera in hues of orange, pink, and purple. Santorini's sunsets are legendary. People travel from all over the world just to witness this daily spectacle. And trust me, it's worth every bit of the hype. Find a spot overlooking the caldera, perhaps a rooftop bar, a secluded cliffside, or simply a quiet corner. Order a glass of local wine, sit back and let the beauty wash over you. This is a moment to savor, a memory you'll carry with you long after the sun dips below the horizon. Santorini is not just about stunning views and beautiful architecture. The island is also a paradise for food lovers. From fresh seafood to traditional Greek dishes, the culinary scene here is vibrant and diverse. Imagine dining at a cliffside restaurant, the sun setting in the background as you savor a plate of freshly grilled octopus. Or enjoying a glass of Assyrtiko wine, made from grapes grown in the island's volcanic soil. The flavors of Santorini are as unforgettable as its landscapes. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to try something new, the island's cuisine is sure to leave a lasting impression. While Santorini is famous for its whitewashed villages and stunning sunsets, its beaches are equally captivating. The island's volcanic history has given rise to unique beaches with black, red, and white sands. Each beach has its own charm and character. Perissa Beach, with its black sand and crystal-clear waters, is perfect for a relaxing day by the sea. Red Beach, with its striking red cliffs, offers a dramatic backdrop for sunbathing and swimming. And White Beach, accessible only by boat, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. No trip to Santorini is complete without exploring its diverse and beautiful beaches. Santorini is a hub of art and culture with a rich history that dates back thousands of years. The island is home to numerous galleries, museums, and archaeological sites that offer a glimpse into its past. The Museum of Prehistoric Thera houses artifacts from the ancient city of Akrotiri, a Minoan settlement that was buried by a volcanic eruption. The island's art scene is also thriving, with local artists drawing inspiration from the stunning landscapes and vibrant colors of Santorini. From traditional crafts to contemporary art, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Immerse yourself in the island's cultural heritage and discover the artistic soul of Santorini. For those seeking adventure, Santorini offers a range of exciting activities. From hiking along the caldera to diving in the crystal-clear waters, there's no shortage of ways to get your adrenaline pumping. The hike from Fira to Oya is a must-do, offering breathtaking views of the caldera and the Aegean Sea. For water enthusiasts, the island's waters are perfect for snorkeling, diving and sailing. You can explore underwater caves, swim with colourful fish, or simply enjoy a leisurely boat ride around the island. Whether you're an adventure junkie or just looking to try something new, Santorini has plenty to offer. A Gap 3S. As the sun sets and the sky turns to dusk, Santorini's nightlife comes alive. The island offers a variety of options for evening entertainment, from laid-back bars to lively nightclubs. Fira, the island's capital, is the hub of nightlife, with numerous bars and clubs offering stunning views of the caldera. Enjoy a cocktail at a rooftop bar, dance the night away at a club, or simply take a stroll through the vibrant streets. For a more relaxed evening, head to Oya, where you can enjoy a glass of wine at a cozy tavern while watching the sunset. No matter your preference, Santorini's nightlife has something for everyone. Gap 3S. Santorini is a shopper's paradise, with a wide range of boutiques, shops and markets offering everything from handmade crafts to designer clothing. The island's narrow streets are lined with shops selling jewelry, art and souvenirs. Oya is known for its high-end boutiques, while Fira offers a mix of traditional and modern shops. Don't miss the chance to pick up some local products such as olive oil, wine and handmade ceramics. Whether you're looking for a unique gift or a special memento of your trip, Santorini's shopping scene has something for everyone. I'll never forget the time I met a couple on their honeymoon in Santorini. They were from different continents, brought together by their shared love of travel. As they watched the sunset over the caldera, I could see in their eyes that this place held a special significance for them. It was the start of their adventure together. That's the thing about Santorini. It's not just a beautiful place, it's a place where memories are made. Whether it's a romantic getaway, a family holiday, or a solo adventure, Santorini has a way of weaving itself into your personal story. I've heard countless stories from travelers who have fallen in love with Santorini. A proposal under the starry sky, a chance encounter that blossomed into a lifelong friendship, a moment of quiet reflection that changed their perspective on life. These are the stories that make Santorini more than just a destination. They make it a tapestry of human experiences. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.